So this one here is pretty tough, but if we kind of are careful, we can tackle it. So they gave us a time frame, so 1850 to 1880. Okay, 1850 and then 1880. And it says the number of farmers continued to increase. So let's just say in 1850 there's 100 farmers. Okay, and then in 1880, let's say that there's 200. So that's an increase of 100%, right? But the rate was lower than that of the general population. So let's say the general population is 1,000. Now, if it was the same rate, then it would be 2,000. But we want the general population rate to be higher. So let's say 3,000. So the farmers increased by 100%. And then the general population increased by 200%. Now, what can we infer from that? Well, basically, in 1850, farmers made up 10% of the population. But in 1880, if you go 200 divided by 3,000, they made up only 6.7%. Okay. So what that means is this percentage of the farmers is going down. Okay, so now that we understand it, let's actually look at the answer choices. Which of the following contradicts the information? Contradicts. So the number of farmers in the general population increased slightly in the 30s. That doesn't contradict, because that means increase, right? So cross it out. The rate of growth of the United States labor force and the rate of growth of the general population rose simultaneously in the 30 years. We really have nothing here about labor force. This is just kind of off topic. Cross it out. The proportion of farmers in the United States labor force remained constant in the 30 years. Now, this one here is maybe okay because we notice that the proportion did not stay constant, but they're using this idea of labor force right there. And again, I don't really have labor force, so how about we just skip this one? The proportion of farmers in the United States labor force decreased from 64% in 1850 to 49% in 1880. Again, we have a decrease here, so that actually confirms that. And also, again, this labor force thing is kind of like, do I even know about this? So this one here is wrong for two reasons. I don't really have information about the labor force, and it kind of confirms the information. The proportion of farmers in the general population increased from 60. Now this one directly contradicts because I need the percentage to go down, not go up. So that doesn't make sense at all. So finally I can eliminate C, which I originally skipped. Correct answer is going to be E. So this one here, just try to be careful, and I think you can tackle it.